Floods are the most frequent natural disasters and cause the most harm, both in terms of humanity and the economy. Floods are events where land that is usually dry, not swamp areas, becomes inundated by water. This is due to the high rainfall and the topography of the area. In addition, flooding can also be caused by an overflow of surface water, runoff, which overflows and its volume exceeds the drainage capacity of the drainage system or river flow system. The persistence of flooding will continue, so that flooding is difficult to prevent, but can be anticipated. Various efforts are needed to reduce the impact caused by flood. One of the efforts is to create a tool in the form of an early warning system flood detector. This tool is an Arduino-based flood detector equipped with an HCSRO4 ultrasonic sensor and a buzzer or a small siren. This tool works by reflecting small sound waves to the surface, which will later be reflected back to the sensor and provide information in the form of the distance between the sensor and the water surface. The closer the water level to the sensor, the red LED will turn on and sound the siren as a sign of danger. With this tool, people can more easily know if a flood is about to occur and immediately evacuate themselves. This idea arose from students as a form of anxiety about the flood phenomenon. Assembling steps. Preparing tools. Pairing the 13th jumper cables and 3 resistors with the installation. Connecting with Arduino on port 8, port 9, port 10, port 11, port 1 G&D and 5 volts. Connecting the ultrasonic sensor with Arduino with a male to female jumper cable on port 3, port 2, 5 volts, and G&D. Entering the coding of program for the ultrasonic sensor.